Hello and welcome back to SMS News. I'm Magnificus. Today, we've got some topics to cover, from the new children's vaccines to the new musical that's coming to Shepherd.
It's weather time! Hello everyone! This week's weather is going to be around 50 degrees for the most part, with the exception for Friday and Saturday and Sunday, which are more close to the 70s. Mostly this week it's going to be cloudy, and on Sunday there's going to be rain. Pretty low winds this week as well, and don't forget to wear a light jacket.
Thank you, Elizabeth, for that weather report. Now, let's hand it over to Zosha for the next vaccine that's coming for our age group.
Yes, signups have already started for us Shepherd students to get the vaccine. However, it's still pending FDA approval, but it should be approved very shortly. Appointments have already been made to get both doses of the Pfizer vaccine, and approval should be earlier this week.
Thanks, Zosha, for letting us know about why this vaccine is coming to us. Next, let's take a look at some non-pandemic related news, the Shepherd musical, Singing in the Rain. Rehearsals have been underway very quickly, and the Shepherd musical is coming soon. Rehearsals are taking place 3 days a week, so it's gonna be good. Directed by Dr. Prince, students have creativity inputs such as acting, but also cinematography and sound design.
Yes, the musical is coming up. Singing in the Rain rehearsals are coming along. Lots of work is being done by Dr. Prince, the cast, and the crew. We look forward to seeing a performance of Singing in the Rain closer to the end of this month.
I can't wait to see the musical when it comes out. Next, we have some riddles from Andrew about the Sphinx.
I am the Sphinx, and I am here to tell you a riddle. If you not get the riddle right, in the 30 seconds you have, you will not have truly completed this SMS News segment. I will give you 30 seconds after I say the riddle. The riddle is, I know a word. The word contains 6 letters. Take 1 away, and 12 remain. What word do I know? Your 30 seconds begin now. "20 seconds remain. "10 seconds remain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you did not get this right, you have not truly completed this segment. But if you would like to hear the answer, go ahead. I am not there to stop you. But do not tell anybody else the answer, for then they will know how to pass me. The answer to the riddle is dozens. Take away the S, and you got dozen. 12. Get it right? Thank you.
That's all for SMS News, though, so see you next week, and until then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye!
Mexico City is sinking fast, and scientists say it's now sunk too low to be saved. The sinking was first noticed back in the early 1900s. It accelerated dramatically from about 3 inches to more than 11 inches in the 1950s. Groundwater drilling and underwater aquifers are largely to blame for the progressive sinking. Even though the city stopped groundwater drilling in the 1950s, the sinking increased to more than 15 inches a year over the past 2 decades. Mexico City also sits on a drying lake bed. That, coupled with a heavy metropolis, are causing the clay ground to compress and crack, which will eventually damage infrastructure and homes. To make matters worse, rain and water runoff from the surrounding mountains make the city prone to flooding. As the ground clay continues to compress, scientists fear the floodwater will contaminate the groundwater, which is 70% of the population's drinking water. This could be the beginning of a largely irreversible water crisis for the most populated city in North America.